So in the previous lecture I showed the root layout. So in this lecture I would show you some extra example about layout. So let's first of all I have clear everything whatever I changed in the previous lecture. So first of all, let's run the application and pm run the app. Let's take a moment, it will run it. So let's create some pages. Let's say it's blog page.tsx. So export default function blog page. H1, this is blog page. So let's open this on our web browser. This will take a moment for compiling. I hope so, it's opened here. So let's navigate to our blog page. So we just have defined a page there. We also can create a layout inside our blog page. Let's say it's layout.tsx. Yeah. So let's copy the previous layout for quicker process. Paste it here. Let's import React there. React and remove this. Just make a div component and render the children here. Let's save this and look at this blog page is there. Let's also create another route. Let's say it's contact. Define a page there. Export default function contact page. Div h1 contact page. So in the blog page, I think, yeah, blog page is there. So let's say we want to add a basic title in our blog page layout. Let's say this is header of blog page. So look at it. When this blog page is rendered, actually whenever this blog page is rendered, this layout will be wrapped around this blog page. So that's why this h1 tag will be available in the blog page. If we render the contact page, let's say what's happening. Okay, I didn't return here. Return. Look at that. No, this title is not available here. This is header for blog page, so in the contact page this is not available. Because of that, we had create another layout in the blog directory. That's why this will available in the blog route only. So in the contact page this will not available. So if we create, let's say we want to create a this is a blog application. So this layout is in the root layout. So if we modify any UI in the root layout, this UI will be available in all of the other pages. Yeah. So that's why in the contact page this title is available. Also, if we navigate to the blog page, look at this. This is a blog application. This text is available here, and this page actually then goes to this route and render this layout. And look at this is a blog page. this is each one tag is available there, then the page is rendered at the last. So basically what's happened that, so the root layout will always get the preference. Whatever the UI we shared in the root layout will be available all the layout or all the pages in our application. Then the preference will be goes to the layout inside this route. And that's why in the blog, when we render the blog page, this is a blog page. This is a header of blog page is rendered in the blog page. So let's create another folder. Let's say is blog 1. Let's create a page. So tsx export default function blog 1 page, return div h1. This is blog 1. So when you render blog slash blog 1, so look at that, this is a blog application, the header of blog application. So the root layout content, this is blog application, and this layout also applied on this page because this blog 1 inside the blog route. So this is actually inside the blog route group. So if we can also define another layout in blog 1, layout dot tsx. So let's copy it for quickly done that. This is header for blog 1. Let's paste here. If you go to the blog 1, look at this. This is header for blog 1. This is shared here. So this layout actually modifies this page. So when we come to the only the blog page, so I hope so this is header for blog 1 is not visible. Actually this layout will be only visible inside this folder or inside this route. So in the blog route there is this layout will be only applicable, and the root layout will be applicable all of the pages in our application. So if we go to the contact page, we can also define a layout here. Let's paste this. This is header for contact page. I hope so someone is okay. So now if we go to the contact page, look, the root layout UI is shared there. Then the UI defined in the contact route, this is header for contact page. Look, this is visible here, and the content of the contact page is there. So I think you may guess the hierarchy of the layout things. So in your application you can define your layout and you can apply your logic whatever you want. So thanks for watching this video.